Hello and welcome back to Thamara's garden. In today's video I will be sharing with you some of the house plants, top 5 house plants which are very easy to care, easy to grow, and also if you are planning to visit a nursery to bring some indoor plants, these are the top 5 indoor plants for a beginner, and also these are low care plants and also shade loving plants. So I will be sharing with you some tips and tricks of growing them as well, so stay tuned until the end to know all the plants and the details. So if you are a new person on my channel, please consider subscribing. If you love green leaves to decorate your home as a decorative plant, collect this beautiful ZZ plant from a nursery. These plants prefers the shade, and not only that, you can propagate them easily with a simple leaf cutting. These plants are very easy to look after, and also they doesn't need daily watering. So if you are a beginner and also you have no time but still love gardening, this is a wonderful plant for you. These plants can go up to 2 weeks of without getting watered, and they will stay in well draining soil, and also these plants can be propagated easily. So select this one plant, ZZ plant. There are many varieties also, so select this green leafy plant as an indoor plant. So another plant for your house plants collection is this beautiful bamboo plant. They also can be grown with stems easily in water and also in soil. This is a feng shui plant too, lucky plant, and you can see propagation, easy to maintain, and also these are shade loving plants. So put them in any planter you like, any DIY planter or any planter, clay pot planter, and you will see the amazing growth of this beautiful plant. Next beautiful house plants are these beautiful snake plants. They are air purifier plants too, and very easy to look after and maintain. These are shade loving plants. Once you bring them from a nursery, make sure to keep them in the shade. These are sansevieria plants, so you can put them in any planter, and with time you will see the plant matures and you can multiply them by dividing. You can divide these plants and also get many more plants out of them. You can gift them or else put them in different planters. Varieties of Chinese evergreen also best house plants. They are shade loving plants and also low maintenance. These plants also you can multiply by cuttings or else you can divide them and multiply. So easy to grow and look after and add beauty to your home as a decorative plant. So when you are going to a nursery, make sure you buy some Chinese evergreen plants for your garden as well. Plants are easy to look after and they are ideal outdoor or indoor plants both. Another beautiful house plant is this beautiful variegated leafy umbrella plant. You can simply grow them by cuttings, and they are decorative plants. Not only that, they are low maintenance and shade loving plants. Another beautiful house plant are these beautiful rubber plants. They are low maintenance, shade loving. You can multiply by cuttings, and also these are very easy to look after, hardy plants. No need of fertilizer as well. So bring this plant also as an indoor plant or else as an outdoor plant. Areca palm, another beautiful house plant. This is also an air purifier and also ideal at the entrance. So these are huge plants. You need bigger ample space for them. So make sure to provide space when you are putting them in planters. So these also need shade to grow, partial to medium sunlight, and one of the beautiful house plants.